The Boffotto system is a next-generation plasma unit that is easy to use and has an intuitive interface that simplifies setup and keeps processes consistent from run to run. Why is plasma so important for PCB manufacturing? Plasma treatment helps us clean and activate board surfaces, desmear drilled holes, etch back dielectrics, and prepare flex circuits for better adhesion. In short, it makes sure every layer bonds the way it should, improving performance and reliability. And it helps us to meet challenging customer etchback requirements when needed. Compared to older Plasma Etch Mark II systems, Boffotto brings some big improvements. It uses a cleaner, more reliable vacuum process, which means less maintenance and fewer interruptions. That translates into faster turn times, better repeatability, and a reduced environmental footprint, all while meeting the strict quality standards our customers expect. For us, it's not just a machine upgrade. It's a process improvement. For our customers, it means dependable boards, shorter lead times, and a production process that's built to handle whatever's next. The Boffotto plasma system, making our process cleaner, faster, and more reliable, one board at a time.